Oh, hey there. Frank Ragnow, Detroit Lions, University of Arkansas, Grizzly Man Outdoors. New episode coming next. Here's one. Ned rig fish. Good job, baby. Nice!
Nice,
Big
Deb!
one. Wait. Folks, we're out here. Devin's already hooked up. Let me grab the net. Oh gosh, I'm panicking. Patience, patience.
Oh, he's flopping!
Oh gosh. Nice one. Devin, how do you feel?
Oh, $1,000,000. We're thriving out here.
Nice, Devin! Woo! Not bad to start the day.
What a thing of beauty.
Grab it. So like I do with everybody who comes on Grizzly Man Outdoors, I start them out with the pink Senko, wacky rigged. Devin started us off. We literally been out here for 2 minutes. Let's go.
Professional.
Let's get the release. Okay, go ahead, let her go.
Bye, buddy.
Nice. Folks, what's up? Frank Ragnow here, Grizzly Man Outdoors. Today we're on Lake Bleep, and we are gonna chase some largemouth bass again. We got a few guests. You'll meet them further in the episode. My fiance's out here. You'll see her further in the episode, and we're gonna chase some largies on a beautiful Minnesota summer night. They'll probably be using the Senko, wacky rig, and Texas rigged. I'm gonna try throwing a spinner bait, a jig, maybe deep crank them, and we'll see if we can crank some out. Stay tuned. Hey, Devin's hooked up again, folks. He's killing it.
You got this.
Girlfriend Ellie, shout out to her principal. Gonna net the fish. Let's see what we got here.
All
Grass,
right,
not bad,
all
not bad,
right.
not bad, not bad. Let's go, Devin. Devin's got 2 before I even started fishing.
What can I say?
Anything else?
Professional.
Arkansas news station, Pig Trail Nation. Yeah, so they're gonna.
Was that what yesterday's was?
Yeah, they're gonna show it every Sunday nights. They're gonna air my thing on TV.
Really?
Yes.
Wait, you said it's just the local?
It's like the local. It's like basically Care 11 airing my.
way.
Yeah, it's huge.
The whole state's gonna see it.
Yeah, huge.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, I'm pumped.
That's views.
Got one, folks, on the jig. Yeah, you want to get the net? This one feels pretty good. Am I snagged? No way, it's just in the weeds. This one smoked it. You got to pull it through the thing. Oh my gosh.
You got biggie?
This feels pretty good, dude. A lot better than that last one. Oh.
Oh, that's why.
We got a fish with a side salad. Or is that just a fit? It's just a salad.
Oh.
Wow, that's embarrassing. I swear that was a fish at first.
Wow, that's tough.
Grizzly Man Outdoors can't differentiate a fish and weeds. Holy cow, that's embarrassing. So this right here is called a jig.
A jig?
Yeah.
Okay.
You basically bounce it up and down. Do you have one? Oh.
I did.
You basically bounce it up. Oh, see that? See, look at this was a craw and it lost its legs, so I knew I had one.
Oh,
I wasn't lying. You basically toss it out and you like slowly pull it up and bounce it, and it looks like a creature on the ground.
Got it.
And they love the jig. That's a fish. It's jumping. Ready? It's jumping. Oh, I thought for sure it was jumping. Feel good?
Yeah, I'll take my time here.
For sure, salad.
Devin's hooked up. No, that's not no salad. This thing's moving.
Yeah, no, this one's a fish.
Jumping. Nope. Oh, another good one, Devin.
Oh, roll the day.
Here, just bring her over. Oh, that's a good one, Dev. Boom, baby.
Boom.
That's a good
Devin, dude, that's a hefty little guy. That's probably 3 pounds, Devin.
Oh, we're moving up in the world.
Look at that thing. On the Wacky Rig Cinco, never disappoints.
Hi, buddy. Hope you find your dad.
Oh my gosh. I've missed 3 on the jig. Set the hook, you pansy.
It found us.
Hey folks, we took a little break. You gotta nourish your body and provide nutrients so you can catch big fish. Looks like we got a storm front. Not good. Not good. I actually see rain falling off in the distance, but we're gonna power through and see what happens. Stay tuned. Oh, let's go. Living in a fine life here. Come on, fishy. It is getting dark over there, folks. Just give me a big old biggin. It's windy, folks. It's raining, folks.
Oh, he's a small one.
Oh, Devin's got a little one. He's milking it. Boss's worm.
And some salad.
Lucy just netted a fish in the air. This is what happens when you fish with amateurs, folks. Please don't rain hard. I mean, this is nothing. We're okay, right? You guys will tough this out. Please. I got a good episode going. Dog. See some dark weather. So, I don't really know what we're gonna do. We might go buzz it over to the other side of the lake and try to survive. I gotta put my camera away. Stay tuned. Well, folks, I shouldn't even be recording. It's pouring rain. We tried to tough it out, but then we saw lightning, and you know what that means. Lightning means you gotta get off the water, no matter how tough you are. Lesson learned. Stay tuned. See ya. Folks, what's up? Thanks for watching the video. Obviously, Mother Nature won this time, but we're going to get back at them. Sorry we didn't catch as much fish, but that's fishing. It's not catching, it's fishing. We're going to get back at Mother Nature. We're going to get back out there on some good days. We're going to catch some fish, and we're going to teach, entertain, and provide great information for all you following Grizzly Man Outdoors. Please subscribe to the channel and keep following us. Grizzly Man Outdoors, out.